Okay, yo, I wanna do my analysis right now for upcoming week. So yeah, let's go. Um, so weekly, I still think we're reaching for this weekly imbalance right here because of this breaker. Standard deviation right here, we reached the easy target, which is 0.5. Standard deviation reached right there. Yeah, I still think we're going for this weekly draw or weekly imbalance. So currently daily or weekly first. So weekly we have this weekly rejection block, which we're in right now, and which we're having a reaction off of. Oh wait, right there. Or we went through it a bit. We took buy side right there. So the next buy side would be this high. Right there. Look on the daily now. Alright. Yeah, 3-day we're in this smaller rejection block. Right there. So I expect like a short reaction, which we're having right now. Let's see what retracement we're having. So this is the 4 hour. So 4 hour we do have this order block right here. I actually expect that we hold this order block. Or if we don't hold this order block, then we have this rejection block, wick, consequent encroachment. Right there. And yeah, nothing else really. Yeah, I don't expect that we're really going lower. We do have this big rejection block though. Which is consequent encroachment right here. I could just delete this. Or could do that. No, let's do this. Alright, so we do have this rejection block, consequent encroachment as well, and we have buy side with it there. So we tapped this order block perfectly right there, as you can see, with a tick. So yeah, how far I think we can go is to consequent encroachment of, or mean threshold of this order block, and consequent encroachment of this rejection block. Let's see if we already got a reaction to the upside. We did have this small breaker right here. Hold this breaker right there. Easy target, minus 0.5. It didn't get hit yet, so I still think we can hit that. And we're also inside this breaker actually. Let's see, like a 2 minutes or like a 3 minute. So if a high, low, higher highs, this would be the breaker, but we're already close below the breaker. And this would be a unicorn, but really not that strong, I see. Let's see, yeah. We're in this order block right now. It's come a bit above this order block right there. Mean threshold. So yeah, what we can do is, yeah, I don't really have anything really. Last week I had like the same expectation. Or was it? It was right here. We had like the same thing, and then we just rallied up. So that could be possibility here as well. That we just sweep this low, tap into the order block, and then have displacement through the upside, reaching into this rejection block and this buy side then. Yeah, I can't really see anything now. Do have this small imbalance right there. Let's see what higher time frame is doing if we miss anything. We do have this breaker here. projection. Yeah, all right, so projection is perfectly aligning with consequent encroachment of this order block. So I still think we do want to head lower. So this would be sell side. Right there, and then the direction we're getting is probably right now, or when market wants to open. If you do, yeah, we're already close below this. Yeah, we already close below this, so this unicorn is actually disrespected. So we could have an inverse for value gap, so this would be an inverse. Inversion right there. And then this wouldn't be a really good short, but this is what I'm thinking that wants to happen. But we could just sweep these highs, like they're almost equal. Let's look at YM and yes. So this high and this high. All right, so we have no SMT there. YM looks very bullish. Don't really see anything. Have to do analysis for that as well. It looks pretty bullish actually. But yeah, we have a lot of accumulation right here now. Let's see on bigger time frame. Yeah, so it does look like it on bigger time frame. As you can see, this would be your accumulation, this would be our manipulation, and then as far as where is it? Here, and then it would be right here into this rejection block, maybe consequent encroachment of this rejection block, mean threshold of this order block. Look at this aligning. Mean threshold perfectly aligned, rejection block perfectly aligned. So maybe in between of these two. Definitely think that we want to tap into this rejection block as well. We probably will, because if I remove this, this is where the rejection block begins, and it's almost in line with the order block mean threshold. So I do think this is to draw on liquidity for now. Right there. And then this wouldn't be it. All right, and then I would expect like a reaction between these two. So like right here. Let's see. Definitely think we're gonna take that high. So somewhere in here. Wait, oh yeah, this is the order block. Or wait, no, this actually isn't. Actually this right here. This is the order block. Why aren't these three candles the order block? Because there's no imbalance. There's no imbalance in this price lag. So it'll only be the first up close candle. Which is right there. So we tap it right there. Let's actually see. This is just something I'm really experimenting with, but it's nothing really. Order block would be right there. This would be buy side, not now. This would first be the draw. Or maybe we could sweep these highs and then head lower, tap into the mean threshold. But we don't know what we'll do, because Asian session opens first, and I don't know how Asian session really opens. So we'll see what that does. Yeah, this does look perfect. Alright, so this is where it's like right here. Somewhere in there. That's what I'm thinking. And then we take this buy side. Alright, so dollar should look pretty bearish. Or is bullish right now, and going into a bearish PD array. So look into dollar right now. Right here. Let's remove everything. Or let's first look at what I annotated. So take sell side, order block. Alright, let's see. Alright, so on the daily, let's actually look at the weekly. On the monthly, actually, we're actually in a pretty big discount right now, and inside a monthly breaker, actually, you can actually see right here, this will be the breaker. Where is it first? Right here. Wait. Oh, wait. Oh, no. Alright, so this is your breaker, yeah. So let's see what else we have. So it is almost perfectly balanced on your weekly. We do have sell side right there. We do have some imbalances right there, so that's what we could be heading for. So right here, this would be sell side. And we should be pretty bearish, or should be, yeah, we should be pretty bearish. Let's actually see where we're trading into. Do this order block. So that's why we're having that small reaction to the upside. Alright, so right here in this range right now. So we have this order block. We have this imbalance. Which is a 4-hour for value gap. So yeah, it could make sense. Maybe there's a breaker inside of here. Yeah, this is the breaker actually. Let's look at like the 2-hour, 1 hour, 50-minute. Do you have like a small breaker inside of here? We should come in line with this 4-hour. This candle actually. Breaker would be this candle, so I'll just take the wick of this big candle, this 4-hour. Even though it isn't a down close candle, still the breaker. On bigger time frame, if we go on to lower time frame, then still this candle. This will be our unicorn. And then does come in line with our bullish, so we do expect some retracement to the downside on futures. Let me grab it. So we do expect some displacement through the downside. Could go to mean threshold and constant encroachment. This is the 1 hour, so. And then this is on the 1 hour. We do expect some bullish momentum inside this PD array. And that will come in line with futures. So from there, inside this unicorn, we would be bearish. And we want to see sell side. I don't know if this is going to be sell side. Let's see if there is anything yet. Not really. If this is really small, but it doesn't bring us anywhere. -4 brings us there. -2, 2.5 bring us into this order block or constant encroachment of this big wick, which would be the same as well. I expect a small retrace from this level. It does make sense. So yeah, we could see, don't know for sure if you want to trade lower on this into this order block, or have the reaction into the unicorn first, or have us trading into this mean threshold first. I don't know what's gonna happen here there, but yeah, that's it for dollar really. Let's mark this out right there. So yeah, it does make sense. So yeah, on dollar we would be pretty bearish long term, which would also come in line with our weekly buys. So this is the daily. I expect us to trade into sell side and this imbalance on the daily. Even though it's pretty small imbalance, it does make sense. It does come in line with everything. It does come in line with this constant or mean threshold of this breaker block. Let's see where our actual order block is. We do have this constant encroachment of this big wick, so we could sweep sell side of this candle as well, which would be right here. This would be right there. We could sweep that and have our big displacement to the upside and have our displacement to the downside on futures. But that's also a possibility, but that's longer term. But yeah, this does look good on dollar. So yeah, that's really it. That's my analysis. That's how I do it as well. Yeah, nothing else really. Let's check Bitcoin. My accounts now. I actually have this one, which I take like impulsive trades on. And this is my actual one. And I'm scared to do this one. We're not scared. But I want to take more time for this one. Maybe I won't even do this one and take an actual funded. I don't know when I'm gonna do this one, but yeah, this one was going pretty bad actually. It was going good in the beginning, then bad, pretty bad. Really my RR is pretty good. My win rate isn't that good, but it was good right here. The small trades, break even, and then got 3 nice ones on BTC. That was pretty nice. That was in the weekend as well, but there were good trades. So, but yeah, let's look on this. Let's look at the monthly. All right. So in this monthly, we're in this monthly FEG or monthly order block. Right there. Let's see. That's the monthly order block. Yeah, that's the one. So yeah, we're kind of in this lower quadrant. Right here. We're in this small reaction to the downside right now, and we could trade to the mean threshold. Don't really expect us to go further. Let's remove this. But yeah, we're there right now. We're having this manipulation to the downside, or manipulation. We have this accumulation, big accumulation, and we actually turtle soup this. Is what I was expecting. Right here, so we're gonna turtle soup this. So what this does look like is we have a big accumulation right here. We have our manipulation move to the upside, and then I expect a distribution to the downside, and this looks like a low resistance liquidity run. So I actually do think we're gonna go to 33k. And then fill up in this imbalance as well. And we do have a lot of liquidity right here as well. So we do have our accumulation, we have our manipulation. We never had our manipulation right here. So we never swept this low. So there's no manipulation in this accumulation. So this would be our manipulation leg. So where we go with our distribution leg is probably these lows. So that will be 25k in long period actually. This would be right here, 25k. But yeah, don't think we're there yet. I think we do want to go into mean threshold, but it does look like we're actually pretty far. So never made this lower low. Made this lower low, made this high right here, never took this low, so this is the breaker actually. Even though we're trading all the way below here, below this one as well, You can see the body's kind of respecting this right there. So we're still respecting this breaker. Oops. Still respecting the breaker right there. So our projection will be the -2 and -2.5, and we're in there right now, and that's why we're also having this accumulation inside of here, and we did have our manipulation right here. So our distribution would come in line with this -2, -2.5 retracement level. So yeah, first I think we're gonna take those lows, tap into sell side right here, and this imbalance. This is longer term. We're only weekly right now, so this 4 hour. So yeah, this is our manipulation leg. Maybe best buy. I don't know if that's the best or best sell opportunity. But yeah, we do have this big wick on the daily. So right there, so that will be an imbalance on the bigger time frame as well. So there could be more short positions, good short positions inside of here as well. So yeah, what we're doing right now is trading inside of this 4 hour order block right there. Oops. Mean threshold. Right there, we tap that big wick to the upside. So if we do want to distribute lower, then we probably already would have a breaker right here. And it still would act as a breaker. I do think this is the high right now. Definitely for the sell side. Look at this standard deviation as well. Look at this sell side. Sell side would be this 4 hour. Actually right there. That's sell side. And sell side will be here as well. This is easy target. Like -2, -2.5. That's the easy target. That's where you want to target for. So this would be a really easy target, but target should be inside of here. So this low. But yeah, this is already pretty close to this low. But yeah, we could mark this out. Look at this as well. That's beautiful. Almost perfectly aligned as well. So I would definitely say this is the target right there. And that would tap us into this weekly as well. But yeah, I'll just mark this out. Looks clean. So we have sell side, sell side, sell side. That's if we do make this a breaker, which I actually think we will do. We have this medium threshold of this order block. And we have buy side, equal highs inside this rejection block. Why equal highs? It looks like we swept this high, but we do have this high. So this is where stop losses are as well. Would come in line rejection block high or rejection block consequent encroachment. So this buy side. Let's do this in the middle or something. And then oops. And then only 50-minute. Let's see if we have anything. So we don't breaker yet. So we're almost in the side of this order block. Which would be right here. So we have that order block. Maybe do have a small breaker inside of here. So this would be our breaker. So we have a high, low, higher high. Or this would be our high, lower low, higher high right there. But maybe only 10 minutes more clear right here. So you will see this as a breaker. It's pretty obvious right here now, only 10 minutes. So we do have a unicorn right here, only 10 minutes. And then we do have sell side with it as well, but we already tapped into this unicorn. Or no, we actually didn't, because we had our market structure shift on this candle, not even these candles. So this would be sell side. So we do have this order block, so we could tap into this order block, then tap into this unicorn. And then we could have our displacement through the upside, Should I just delete this? We could have our distribution to the upside. After this reaction, clearing out this whole leg here actually, and tapping, letting us step into this 4 hour. Let's actually see from here. Alright, so we do have this order block. So what I think will happen right here is, alright, so we want to trade in this order block, maybe tap mean threshold, or just step into it. I don't know, maybe somewhere side of here. Here for our displacement tree downside, tap sell side right there. For our reaction to the upside, tap into this 4 hour. Have a tortoise soup right there. Somewhere right there. Right here, have our distribution to the upside again. Alright. Let's make a standard deviations. Projection. Alright, so this would be this would be our breaker. This would be our unicorn. This would be our unicorn. We tap into this unicorn then. Oh wait, it's already right here. Oh no, it's actually right here. Alright, we tap into this 4 hour again. Right there. Alright, so this would be the leg right there. Trade above this order block into these 4 hour. Use the 4 hour mean threshold again, but we place lower. Then have our displacement to the upside, reaching into this buy side. Alright, and on bigger time frame, we have this as our breaker. Right here somewhere. So this will be our high, low, and then higher high. So somewhere around here. We tap into this mean threshold, don't forget that. So minus 1.5 perfectly aligning with this mean threshold, or consequent encroachment on free rejection block. So this looks pretty good actually. I hope this is pretty understandable. I don't know, but let's see where this comes in line with. This high, which should be our retracement into the rejection block, which makes sense as well. So just a wild guess. Yeah, because this order block is balanced. If we do want to head lower, then I expect this sell side, nothing else between there. Yeah, I do think this is our high because we had our manipulation move and our turtle soup. And this would make sense. Or we just have a quick distribution to the downside without any retracement. But it's a pretty big time frame. It's on the daily, weekly that we have this accumulation. So we could still see upside right there. So yeah, I do think this is what wants to happen. And then yeah, our manipulation leg to the downside, I don't even know. I don't know yet. So yeah, this is what I want to see though. And where do you want to go? You want to go into sell side. -1 standard deviation would come in line with this rejection block. So that's easy target, I would say, with this sell side. So sell side will be here. Yeah, it would look pretty good right here. Yeah, perfect actually. Yeah, so this is what I want to see now. yeah, that's really it for BTC. Um, so yeah, I'll screenshot this. And send it to Aiden, even though he doesn't really, even though he doesn't even look at it. All right, let's open Discord. It's not even long term. I recorded this video, it's fine. You don't have to send it. All right, right there. So yeah, that's really it for BTC. And then for MNQ really, 2 hours and 46 minutes. Yeah, it does look beautiful. So yeah, that's really my analysis for upcoming week. We had MNQ, we had DXY, and we had BTC. So yeah, that's really it. Oh yeah, that's the first video actually that I uploaded. So not really any explanation, but kind of just perfecting the things I know. I have some goals set for actually I had a goal for this month, which would be just perfecting everything I know, watching ICT 2023. Yeah, just perfecting things I know with like order blocks and consequent encroachments, thresholds, like everything, every beauty array, like every aspect of it, breakers as well, unicorns, having a lot of unicorn setups, really love breakers, as Aiden said, unicorns run the market, and they do, so yeah, I have goals set. Next goal is 0102, and it's more strategy perfection. I'll be done with the ICT 2023 mentorship this month. I expect the first 3 weeks of this upcoming month. Still like 20 more videos to watch, but I think I'm gonna watch them all inside these next 2 weeks, or 3 weeks actually. No wait. Yeah, this next 3 weeks actually. And then after that, I have my goal set from 0102 to 0604, so 6th of April, 6th of April, sorry. And that's just more strategy perfection and actually getting funded, passing a 50k or 100k or 150k top step account, and then passing that. So yeah, 2024 I'm expecting to take some money outside of the taking some money out of the market, not really out of the market, but just out of a prop firm. Yeah, almost 2024. But yeah, that's really everything. Is there anything else? Yeah, I won't be really uploading. I'll be uploading maybe once a week now, maybe once every 2 weeks. Maybe only my weekly analysis, maybe some good trades, maybe some bad trades that I really wanna learn from, and uploading the videos so I can learn from them. But yeah, so only will be uploading like once every, I don't know. But yeah, we'll see. But yeah, that was my analysis for upcoming week, and I'll see you next week or the week after that. I don't know. So